Hi, in this video I have decided to share the answers to some of the interview questions, and before we begin I just wanted to discuss how a for loop works on the string. The first point is that indexing starts at 0. So the first character of any string will be found on 0th index. Next one is that length of the string would be equal to number of characters or the number of letters in that particular string. The next one is the last index of this particular string will be always length of the string minus 1. Lastly, the terminating condition should be counter less than and equals to length minus 1 or counter less than length. Now this is because you are going to start from 0 and you need to end on the last index. So here is one of the interview question. In this question, we need to print the I+1 characters in this particular message, hello. And let us check whether we are able to get ELLO or not. As you can see, ELLO is printed, but after that we can find that it is throwing an index out of bound exception. This means that this particular for loop also goes to index number 5, which does not exist. So if you want to rectify this or if you want to make a change, just add -1 over here and you can now run this particular program and you can see that ELLO is printed successfully without any exception. The next question is, we need to print the letters starting from the index 2 to index 5. The difference over here is 3. So we start from 2 and end at 4. In math, we would always do 3, 4, 5, but over here the priority will be given to the second index. The JVM compiler will start from 0, then go to 1, then go to 2, 3 and 4. This means it will only print 3 letters from this particular string. So let us execute and check. And yes, we got raw as the output. So this is the next question. Print is the name of the function. Return type is exception and we have declared this function as static. So whenever you use a static keyword on a function or a variable, you can directly call it into your main function without creating an object. In this question, you can observe that there is a return used over here and there is a throw used over here. Now let us try and replace this with throw. And you can see that the compiler is throwing an error. That is because you cannot return parent class exception. If you have some kind of specific exception like runtime exception or index out of bound exception, then you can throw it. But you cannot throw the main class directly. You may return the package to which exception class belongs. And in order to do that, we are going to provide the input as 1, which is greater than 0. So let us execute. And you can see java.lang.exception has been printed. Java.lang is a package in which exception class belongs. And the runtime exception is the child class of this exception. So let us now provide a number that is less than 0. And execute. And you can see that compiler has thrown the runtime exception. In this particular question, we can see that the word 1 is supposed to be concatenated with the word 2. This means that word 1 and word 2 are supposed to be combined. We are supposed to get the word 1 combined with word 2. So let us check if that happens or not. Over here you can see that only hello was printed. Word 1 and word 2 actually cannot get concatenated because string is an immutable object. Now on the other hand, if you use word 5, to store the concatenation of the word 1 and word 2, it will work. Now this is because we have stored the data into the word 5, which is a separate string and not the same string as word 1 or word 2. So this time it will execute, and we can now print word 5 and check whether both the strings get concatenated or not. Yes, you can see that both the strings got concatenated. Similarly, if you execute the print statement, it will get concatenated too. Because print statement will store this particular data into another variable or freshly created memory, and then it will print it. In this particular question, we can see S1 is equals to S2. Here we are comparing the reference variables and the data within it. So for this particular question, we are going to get the answer as true. But for the next one, here you can see that I have created S3 and S4, which are the new string objects and contain the same text hello world. So over here you are not comparing the data that is stored within them, but you are actually comparing the memory location. The two object memory location cannot be same. Now you can see that we are getting true and the false. False is for this particular object comparison, and true is for the data within the reference variable comparison. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.